most of the people, okay, in this session, the people who are attending this Python certification demo, Python certification demo, yes, most of the people who are attending are working people, I hope. So being working people, you know the importance of certification. Regarding being working people, you know the importance of certification. Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? So just yes, okay. So now not required to keep much explanation related to certification, right? So but anyway, for the remaining people, just aware what is the just explain what is the importance of certification. Okay, just very simple, sir. Can you please tell for which purpose you are going to use certification? Importance of certification. Can you please spell out any, sir? This is the benefit. There may be a chance to get. Yes, Manoj. Happily, you can continue with the zero knowledge. Don't worry. Yes. So just with the salary hike. Okay. Well, any other things? Recognition is more. Okay. Recognition is good. Special recognition will be there. Yes. Next, sir, sometimes maybe on-site opportunity. Okay, on-site opportunity. Okay, like next, getting good project, and getting good job, okay, even to get internship also, internship, to get internship, like so just that if you are certified, definitely somewhere a big opportunity is going to wait for you in your life, sir. Remember this one. Not only Python, any certification, sir. Yes, I'm already okay. Just if you are certified, definitely a big opportunity is waiting for you, sir. I'm sure definitely you are going to get somewhere the benefit of your certification, sir. It is not one time, it is a lifetime benefit you people are going to get, sir. Because the reason for that is, suppose currently you are working in some company, sir. You want to change the company, at the time of changing the company, you can demand more because you are certified. You can demand more because you are certified. Next, once entered into the company, you can demand for good project because you are certified. Are you getting? So you can demand more package, good project. You can demand for on-site opportunity, like everywhere, sir. Definitely, your certification is going to be very helpful for you, right? I'm sure. So best example for you. Suppose assume that there are just two members are there. Assume there are two members are there, sir. Sir, both people came for the interview room. Just both people came for the interview room, right? Okay. Assume that there are two members are there. Both came for the interview room. So now interview person asked, just observe this scenario. Then automatically you people can able to understand, sir, what is the need of certification, right? What the importance of certification? Just observe. Both members came for the interview. Then interview person asked the question, okay, do you know Python? Or do you know Java? Something like, do you know Java? Something like interview person asked, sir. Assume that both people attended for Java, 2+ or 3+ years of experience, like. Then automatically the first person, whenever interview person asked, do you know Java? Then the response from the first person is he's telling, yes, I know Java very well, like very strongly, with very loud voice. He's telling, I know Java very well, like this is the response from this person. But whenever the same question, whenever interview person asked this second person, then automatically second person told with very low voice, I am already certified. Regarding I'm already certified. Can you please tell which sounds good, which sounds more? Yes, with very loud voice I know very well Java. Just I'm already certified. I'm already certified. Okay, so there is definitely yes, sir, this word sounds more. Are you getting that? Someone certified is good, man. Someone certified is good in the subject, because there should be some proof for you already. Okay, you are already confident in that subject. Your certification acts as a proof. Your certification acts as a proof for that, right? Okay, not only Java, not only Python, in any area, sir. While working in the companies, on any technology, compulsory you require to think about the certification. It's a mandatory thing, man. Are you getting? Are you in the position to understand clearly, right? Okay, what the need? Because there is a proof must be required. Suppose if you are going for the job, man, job, do you know, as a fresher, assume that you are going for the job as a fresher. First, somewhere certification verification by default will be there or not? Somewhere certification verification by default will be there. Or if you are joining in the intermediate or engineering, so first step is certification verification. Whether so certificate verification, right? Whether you completed 10th class or not. Okay, just your oral words, no one is going to believe, man. You have to show that 10th certificate, then only the people are going to believe. Correct, right? Are you getting? Suppose you are telling, yes sir, I completed 10th class. Where is the proof? Better to bring your 10th certificate. Or, sir, I completed my engineering. Better to bring your engineering certificate. Are you getting? Same way, sir, I know Python very well. There, where is the proof? Do you have some proof for that? Yes, I cleared certification. I'm already certified professional. Okay, like it acts as a proof for your talent, for your knowledge. That's why. So certification, if you have, definitely somewhere a big advantages by default you people are going to get, sir. Please make sure you should aware. Not only this one, sir. Not only sir Python, not only Java. In any area, wherever you are working, compulsory you require to think about certification, right? Are you getting the point? I hope everyone in the position to understand. Do you know, most of the times, usually for the last 10 years, I was the trainer for Java certification. Do you know? I was a trainer for Java certification. Like if you open the Google, just a type Java certification, Okay, 100808 OCJA. Like this, if you open the Google, then automatically like definitely here, do you know, this is the code for OCJA, sir. Then here Durga sir will be there. Are you getting? Durga sir will be there. These are the videos I hope we publish it in the YouTube, sir. So just take a bit very very special care here. Do you know, most of the time, sir, here in the month of September, October, November, we can see more number of students for our certification sessions, sir. Do you know, right? So throughout the year, where you can see more number of students is you know, September, next time after October, and then November. In this month, more number of students by default will be there. Can you please tell any reason for that? Why more number of students are writing certification exam, are coming for certification training in these months? Because the reason for that is most of the companies appraisal is going to be done at the end of November or December. Are you getting right? Hike will be closed at the December, November end, or otherwise in the December, appraisal meetings will be there and the hike will be decided. At that time, yes, already I cleared certification. Maybe in your appraisal, in your rating, your certification play the role. In your next hike, your certification will play the role. Remember this one. So that's why. So if you are certified, definitely there's a big opportunity is waiting for you people, right? Okay, well. So this is yesterday, even in the last demo also, I told one small example. Just there are several new students are there, just observe that. Sir, it's a original example only. One of my Java student was there once upon a time, named with Karnakaran Reddy. Okay, Karnakaran, original name only, sir. It's not my creation. Karnakaran Reddy. There is one person is there, sir. Do you know, he just claimed 3+ years of Amirpet experience, sir. Amirpet experience, fake experience, like Amirpet, God's gift, fake experience. He claimed and he tried for H1B, okay, through some consultancy. Then luckily he got the chance. Sir, he went to the visa stamping, visa stamping in the US embassy. Then there a small mini interview sometimes may be there. Okay, so in the visa interview, that person asked, there are thousands of people, there are several huge number of people already there in the US. Why we have to give the chance only for you? Why we have to give the chance only for you? Like then the visa person asked this Karnakaran Reddy. He's already fake person. Maybe he may have the doubt by seeing his face. Okay, why we have to give this opportunity only for you? Like this, right? Immediately, what this person did is, in his pocket, do you know, whenever you clear certification, then immediately vendor is going to provide a small visiting card like yes, Karnakaran Reddy certified Java 8, okay, certification exam on so date. Like this, there is a certificate, something like our visiting card, PAN card, like Aadhaar card, something like that much size, a small card they are going to provide. You can carry, sir, in your pocket. Okay, immediately you open the wallet and they show, I'm already Sun certified. Java programmer. Sun certified. Certified Java programmer. This is the response. Yes, Karnakaran Reddy showed. Are you getting the point, right? So immediately, whether really the certification is that much worthy or not, forget about that. That visa person don't know, right? Oh, he's the certified person. He's the special person. Then automatically visa got stamped. Are you getting the things right? Are you getting? So like that, there are several places your certification is going to play the role, sir. There is some proof you are worthy person. There is some proof you are having clear knowledge. Like this must be required. Do you know, sir? While working in IBM, I worked in IBM, sir. In my project, if there are some issues are there, okay, technical issues are there, sir, then immediately we will address to the project manager, saying these areas we are facing the problem. So we want KT. KT means what? Knowledge transfer. We require KT, or otherwise we require some expert support, okay, to resolve these issues. Like we address it to the project manager. Then immediately project manager is going to tell, Durga, in the tower 2, we have multiple towers are there in my company. In the tower 2, there is one, okay, Simon is there. Do you know he the certified person? He the WebLogic certified person. Yes, we will bring that person. If you are having any issues, we can contact him. Like so, my project manager one time I remember. So there is Simon is there. He the certified person. He's working for the last 10 years only on WebLogic domain. If we are having any issues, very serious issues, where our team not in a position to resolve, then the next person to whom we require to contact is that person, is the certified person. While communicating, take a bit special care. This is what's my project manager uses. Are you getting right? Here, it is not required to use either certified, because to indicate that he the expert in that area that person is using. Getting the point? Why you are silent? Are you in the position to understand? Okay, the conclusion from this total story is only one point, sir. If you are certified, definitely somewhere a big opportunity is waiting for you people, right? I'm sure. So just very recently, what I did is, just in the Udemy, I launched one course. Right? OCJA practice exams. Practice exams. Like I launched one course, OCJA practice exams, in the Udemy, sir. Just only exams. There you have to write only exams. That's all. No videos and so on. Next, the people who registered, just I provided my online training videos through Google Drive as the extra support. Then after 1 month, 2 months, I realized that for this certification, throughout the world, there is a huge demand is there. There's a huge demand is there for this certification. Because more number of students are registering for this. That's why compulsory we required to upload main course in the Udemy. Like then there, sir, just maybe in the next month, my course is going to be launched. Clear OCJA in simple way. Are getting clear OCJA in simple way? Almost around 30 hours sessions we are going to upload. Are getting? So because already almost we completed almost around 25 hours video shooting already completed, sir. Just another 5 hours. Maybe this month I will complete and next month I will upload. The reason for that is, more demand is there for certification exams. Then I identified, then immediately we started 30 hours. We started 30 hours like. Are you able to understand, right? Are you able to understand, right? Okay, this is what you people should be aware, the importance of certification. If you are certified, definitely a big opportunity is waiting for you people, right? That's what you people should be aware. It's a more demanding is there throughout the world. It is not India recognized, global recognized certifications what we have. Clear, friends? That's all. This is a simple introduction about certification, right? So next, second thing what you people should be aware. Second point what you people should be aware. Related to the Python. Actually, Python is the freeware open source. Sir, from Python Software Foundation. Are you getting PSF? Python Software Foundation. So this is the non-profit organization foundation. This is the non-profit organization which is providing the Python, sir. But for Python Software Foundation, PSF, they are not providing any certification for this. So for certification related to the Python, only one vendor who is offering is Microsoft. Are you getting right? Related to certification, only one vendor who is offering is Microsoft. That is the reason why we should go for Microsoft Python certification. Next, moreover, Microsoft is not a small organization, worldwide recognized organization only. That's why Microsoft Python certified. Definitely, there is a value is there, sir. If it is some small chota XYZ company, then I may not refer. I may not refer this. But Microsoft provided certification. Yes, there is a brand is there for this. So in front of or after your name, you can use this brand also. You can use this brand also. Just up to this, just Durga. But now onwards, I can use Microsoft certified Python developer. Are you getting Microsoft certified Python developer? Just Microsoft brand value. Slowly, I can keep just with my name also. That's why it is a good thing only. Don't worry about that. Maybe Python Software Foundation people may offer in the future. Okay, but as of now, this is the only vendor who is offering. Right? Sir, what is the syllabus? How many questions are there? What kind of questions are there? You people should aware, sir. Yeah, if you observe 98 381. So for every certification exam, one unique code will be there, sir. Microsoft Python certification. What is the code for that? This is the code. 98 381 is the code for that. Are you getting 98 381 itself is the code for that. Even tomorrow, if you want to book your slot for the exam, you require to tell this code, sir. Remember, just 98 381. Okay, like exam 98 381. What is the title for that is Introduction to Programming Using Python. It is the very unfortunate, not the complete syllabus of Python is not going to be covered. Just the introduction to programming using Python. Python basics mostly is going to be covered. Exception handling. Next, and after that, flow control, like these kind of things. Detailed syllabus I will discuss. Don't worry about that, sir. So now, sir, this is what you people should be aware. Can you please observe that from the screen? How much is the cost? Please confirm. How much is the cost of Python exam, certification exam? Ayo, respond, man. From the screen already you are seeing something. What the cost? What the cost? From the screen already you people are seeing. Okay. Remember that. Don't get shocked by seeing this one, sir. Okay, you are not required to pay $127. $127 means almost around 10,000 plus. Okay, you are not required to pay. Just here one option is there, not in United States. If you are already in the United States, enjoy, you require to pay this much only. Okay, not in United States. Suppose if I'm in India, India, then what will happen? Yes, if I'm in India, then can you please observe that? How much is the certification cost? 3,696 rupees. I don't think it is a big amount for you people, right? Okay, just 4,000, hardly 3,696. Plus our Modi's tax, GST is already there, right? GST. Do you know how much total? Almost around 4,300, something like you require to pay, sir. Okay, this is 4,300, something like this is the exam cost if you want to write, if you want to plan in India for this exam. Next up, where you can book the slot. Are you getting? Pearson Test Center is there or SETI point is there. But anyway, Pearson exam centers are almost in every city. You can see 10, 20, 30 like that. In Hyderabad, almost you can see 30 to 40 centers. In Bangalore, 30 to 40 centers. Just nearby your residence in your city, yes, Pearson test centers are there. Don't worry about that. Just if you can click, then in your center, in your city, where it is available, like you can able to see completely, right? Okay, like next here just observe that. Yes, here just yes, everywhere in your city. If it is not a small city, then it will be there, sir. In Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Okay, like Hyderabad, Chennai, next Pune, like these type of cities, you can able to expect the exam. So what is the syllabus? What is the syllabus for that? So the syllabus is, before showing original syllabus, let me show the let me tell the syllabus in our understandable form. Do you know data types? Are you getting right? I hope you people are aware data types. In Python, how many data types are available? What are various fundamental data types? Int, float, str, int, float, str, complex, and then boolean. These are the fundamental types. Next, collection related data types are list, set, tuple, dictionary. These things are collection related data structures, right? So these are important 6 or 7 data structures you require to aware. I mean data types and data structures you should aware, sir. Next, operators concept. Very important, sir. Operators concept we require to discuss. And after that, console input and output statements. Console input and output statements. Remember this one. Console input and output statements means how to give the input, how to print to the console, like so. I mean, input function is there. If you want to produce output, then automatically print statement we require to use. We have to discuss about those things, right? Okay. Next, and after that, we have to talk about flow control. We require to talk about flow control. So there we have to discuss. There we require to discuss about flow control. If, elif, while loop, for loop, break, continue. These kind of statements we have to discuss there. Okay, like flow control. Next, after flow control, now the next thing what we have to discuss is functions concept. Functions, sir. How to define a function? How to define? What about return types? What about parameters? Next, like a functions concept we have to talk. And once the functions concept completed, now exception handling concept. Sir, after exception handling, we have to talk about file IO. Again, we require to talk about file IO concept. Okay, how to read the data from the file, how to write the data to the file. Sir, what are various modes are available? Read mode, R plus, W plus, A plus, X, like the modes related, all those things we have to discuss, right? Sir, file input and output, right? Next, after that, sir, document code segments and comments. Documentation, it is there, sir. So how to write comments, how to write a comment part, indentation, like these kind of things we have to discuss there, documentation. And then several inbuilt modules, Python inbuilt modules like we have to discuss there. Math module we have to talk, random module we require to discuss, math module, random module, date time module we have to discuss, date time module we have to discuss, IO module, sys module, next OS module, OS data path module, like these are various modules what we have to discuss. That's all, sir. This is the syllabus, whatever we have, sir, officially in this certification. I can use the word something like core Python syllabus. Again, OOPS concept, multi-threading, these kind of things are not there. Something like OOPS, I mean core Python related things, right? Yes, that's all. Sir, this is the syllabus. That's why. So for exam orientation only we are going to discuss. Okay. So because all these things already we discussed in our Python sessions. Okay. So that's why exam oriented, sir, more concentration I want to take. Not detailed, just like our Python sessions. Remember. Any doubt? Any doubt about the syllabus? Just save this one. This is the syllabus what we have. Okay. Now let me show official syllabus. Of course, this is our understandable form. Now let me show our official syllabus. Have you observed, right? Perform operations using data types and operators. Have you observed? Perform operations using data types and operators. Okay, like this. This is the just the internal subtopics for that, right? Next, control flow with decisions and loops. Okay, this is just the flow control internal syllabus. Next, perform input and output operations, right? So input and output operations. Do you know this is a file IO? File IO. Construct and analyze code segments that perform file input and output operations. Next, open, close, read, write, append, check existence. Like this total is file IO syllabus. Okay, already each and everything we covered in our regular sessions. I'm sure you are not required to learn single extra point also for this, right? Sir, if you follow our regular sessions. Next, this is the console IO. Sir. Read the input from console, print formatted text, use of command line arguments like this is. Next, document. This is the console IO. Input and output statements and the third unit we covered, right? The same thing. Next, document and structure code. Okay, document code segments. That's all. Use indentation, space, comments, documentation strings, like generate documentation by using PyDoc. Okay, these are various things what we require to discuss. Next, do you know this concept itself is functions concept. Function, construct and analyze code segments that include function definitions, call signatures, default values, return type, def, pass. Okay, like these are things, functions are related concept, right? Next, troubleshooting and error handling. Yes, it is related to exception handling. It's related to exception handling. Next, perform operations using modules and tools. Just now I told math module, datetime, IO, sys, OS, path, random, like that's all. So these are various things, whatever official syllabus, right? Okay, same basics only, but in different style we have to discuss. Okay, like next, do you know what are various preparation options are there? Practice a test. Okay, take a Microsoft official practice test for exam 98,381 like this. Yes, you can take practice test, but the problem here is again the cost is $75. Are you getting? But highly recommended. You are not required to go for any practice material, any practice test, and so on. It's unnecessary time waste. Don't worry, sir. Whatever for the exam sake, whatever required, sir, we are in a position. I will provide support for you people, right? Don't worry much about that. Are you getting? So that's all this is. What is the syllabus point of view? Next, one more thing. Have a look once, sir. One more. Next, here preparing an exam. What kind of questions you can expect for the exam sake? 1 minute. Here, the type of questions also you can able to see, sir. Okay. Here, exam like a variety of question types. Okay. Let me share this link for you people so that it may be helpful. Yes. Next, sir, variety of questions. Sir, what kind of questions we can expect for the exam is, do you know multiple choice questions? Multiple choice questions. Most of the times, the people who are coming from Java certification, most of the questions are multiple choice questions, correct, right? But in Python certification, we have drag and drop kind of questions. Okay, you can see. Next, and after that, do you know one more thing, sir? Just selection from drop down list, selection from drop down list. Okay, these type of questions you can able to see, sir. Sir, very simple. Something like I have just observed that int is there. Next, a float is there. String is there. Okay, like now age is equal to, sir, 20. I'm taking, sir, age is equal to 20. So can you please, here there is a box is there, sir. Wherever int this code segment is there, you have to drag and drop here. Are you getting? Just from by using mouse, drag and drop. Okay, very easily you can able to do that. Don't worry about that. Very easily you can able to do that. Okay, such type of questions are drag and drop. Okay, suppose I'm taking if age is less than 18 years. Okay, age is less than 18 years. Here there is a drop down list is there. In that drop down list, do you know they are going to keep age is less than 18, age is less than or equal to 18, next age is greater than 18, something like 4 or 5 options they are going to provide in the drop down. You require to select based on our programming requirement, either first one or second one or third one, something like this. This is called what we call selection from drop down list. If you click a drop down list, all these things will become, you require to select only a particular thing. Okay, that's all. These are type of questions you can expect. Other than that, normal multiple choice, A is the correct answer, B the correct answer, or both A and B are correct answers. Like this is our normal tradition. Extra things are this type of questions you people can able to see, sir. Okay, well, sir, now let me go for let me show the type of questions Microsoft for all kind of certification questions. You can able to see these questions, right? Sir, observe a bit very carefully, sir. Drag and drop. Are you getting? Drag and drop. Okay, now you can see drag and drop kind of questions. How it looks like.
To answer a drag and drop question, you will need to select and drag answer options from the source area on the left of the screen to the correct targets in the answer area on the right of the screen. You can use the split bar to resize the panes. You can reverse your selection by moving them again. Some answer options may be used more than once. You can clear all your selections by clicking reset.
Are you able to get right? Next, if you want something like hot area questions, okay, it is also one possible question.
Hot area question types provide a way for you to answer questions in a graphical form.
Select the
Hot
from
area
drop down.
questions present a screenshot, picture, or diagram. You can use the split bar to resize the panes and the scroll bar to see the entire question. To answer a hot area question, click the correct choice or choices on the graphic.
Here we observed right drop down. Here you can able to see drop down list. Are you getting? Here from that multiple options are there. You require to select one option. Okay, that. Next and after that best answer. The remaining things are always the same. Already, yes, this is the multiple choice questions.
To answer a best answer multiple choice question, read the question carefully and then read the answer options. You will see that more than one answer choice is correct. You need to select the best response for the question.
Radio button means only one thing you require to select. Next, multiple choice. Sometimes, do you know? Yes, the same, I hope.
To answer a multiple choice single correct answer question.
Yeah, that's all. So this type of questions you people can able to expect, sir. Okay, like this is the official syllabus. Next, what is the time? Just 40 questions will be there. 40 questions will be there. 45 minutes is the duration for the exam. A bit dangerous, sir, where you require to take very much care about these words. 40 questions within 45 minutes you require to answer. 70% is the pass percentage. You should be more dynamic. If you are going to struck for only one question more than 10 minutes, that's all. The chances of succeeding will be gone. More dynamic, okay? Because within 45 minutes, 40 questions you require to check means, not just a one line or two line questions. There's a case studies by default will be there. You have to read, you have to analyze, you have to choose the correct answer. Not that much easy, but more challenging thing is here 70% right. Okay, like now, sir, the next here this is the exam pattern, right? Sir, just let me put a sample question so that you people can feel more comfortable. What kind of questions are there like now? Have a look once, sir. One sample question. I'm going to provide for you people, right? Sir, it's a very easy. Sir, just they are going to provide age is equal to 2. Is the minor or not? Minor is equal to false. Name is equal to Durga. Like next, weight is equal to weight is equal to some 62.4, something like 62.4. Next, sir, zip is equal to 800,892, something like. Next, value is equal to just a plus 23E4, something like this, right? So these are consider the following variable declarations. Okay, you require to drag and drop the corresponding data types. You require to drag and drop. Are you getting right? So now, can you please tell? First one is what data type? Int. Second one, array respond. First one is the int. Second one. First one itself is the int. What is the second data type? Boolean like. Third one, string. Okay. Fourth one, float. Next, fifth one, string again. Last one, again it is sir, float. Are you getting last one? Float to 23. Have you remembered? 23 E4 means 23 into 10 power 4. 23 into 10 power 4. That is the meaning, sir. So if you want, let me print its value. What is the value by default you are going to get? Just have a look once, sir. What is the value we will get here is, observe that carefully. Py test.py. Are you getting what the answer, sir? 2340.0. At the end, what is these values are? Float value, like this, right? So plus 23.0 into 10 power 4. This is called exponential form or scientific notation. Okay, even in Java also it is acceptable. Okay, like this is what type. This is one possible very easiest question, sir. The second question, what I want to take here is, just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Suppose you are working in the company. You are working in the company, sir. So retirement time came. Time came. Then automatically here one thanking message I want to display. So we are writing a program to display thanking message. So that program is going to take input from the end user and display some congratulation message or thanking message, like that. It is going to do that, sir. So now start is equal to input of how old were you on your start date. Sir, how old were you on your start date? Whenever you joined in this company, what is your age? Okay. Next, end. What? How old are you? How old are you today? How old are you today? Today, like this, right? How old are you today? Today, like this. I'm taking. So this is the start. This is the end, like this, right? Now, sir, here they are going to ask which of the following is a proper way to print a congratulation message. Sir, first option I'm providing congratulations on okay. Here just I'm taking int of end minus int of start minus int of start, okay, plus here plus years of service, like this I'm taking, sir. This is the first question I'm taking. Okay, second possibility, third possibility, fourth possibility, observe that. Second possibility is okay, like at the beginning str_i2. Third possibility is int of end minus start I'm taking, sir. End minus start, int of end minus start I'm taking, sir. So fourth possibility str of end minus start I'm taking, sir. That's all. Can you please tell among these two things, sir, which is valid, which are valid, which is valid, sir? I want to print congratulation message. Which is the valid? This is one possible question for the exam. These type of questions you can see in the exam, sir. Which one is the correct answer? Anyone? Anyone? Which one is the correct answer? The people are already aware Python. Okay, very simple. Very simple. So the correct answer here is good. The people who know Python, you can able to answer very easily, sir. These type of tricky questions you can able to tell. Can you please tell all the people in this session, can you please choose some answer? It may be correct or wrong, no problem at all. Can you please choose the best answer from this list? Either first one or second one or third one or fourth one. You require to select. Yes, friends. Everyone, can you please choose some answer? Even you don't know. Randomly, can you please choose some answer? So whether your lucky number is going to be correct answer or not, we will decide. Okay? Listen a bit very carefully. What the correct answer in this case? Yes, all the people, please respond. Everyone, can you please respond? Good. Everyone, please keep some point in your mind. Yes, which one is the correct answer? Good. What about remaining? I'm not seeing the response from the remaining people. Everyone, can you please have some response in your mind? Or otherwise, can you please spell out? Okay, maybe correct or wrong. Even your answer is wrong. I won't do anything. I won't blame. I won't send SMS message for your parents saying your kid is telling wrong answer. Don't worry. Okay? Well, remember that. Which one is the correct answer in this case is, yes, sir, there are two technical points you people should aware, sir. The first point is, suppose I want to perform A minus B. Regarding I want to perform A minus B. To perform A minus B, to perform A minus B, compulsory both A and B should be numbers. Both A and B should be numbers. Numbers. That's fine. So this is numbers. Point number one. Next, if you are reading anything from the keyboard by using input function, the return type is always string type. Remember that the return type is always a string type. Input function return type is always string type. If you are using A minus B, compulsory A and B both should be int type. Should be int type or number type. Anyway, number or int. Anyway, no problem at all. Number type. Okay, like that. Next, one more point I have to highlight for you people, right? Sir, if you want to perform string plus some xyz, compulsory xyz also should be str type. Remember, if you are using plus operator for the strings, both the arguments should be compulsory string type, otherwise we will get error. Next, the input function return type is always str. If you want to perform minus operation A minus B, both should be number type, maybe int type, like that, right? By listening these hints, can you please tell correct answer now? So maybe some people may change their answers. Now, can you please tell correct answer now? Good. Slowly, some people are changing the correct. Good. Some people are changing, coming to correct answer now. Excellent. Okay. Well, that's all. Good. The people who choose the wrong answer, now you people are in a position to answer correct answer. Excellent, man. That's all. This extra knowledge must be required. So, which one is the correct answer here? Sir, here you are converting to number type. Excellent. So both are numbers, minus operation, you will get the result as the number. But first argument is string, but second argument is the number. That's why plus fails. Okay, plus fails, type error, like some problem you are going to get, because one argument is the string type, the second argument is the int type. So plus operator between string and int not going to work out. That's why option number 1 wrong. Okay, well, sir, if I can go second one, sir, you are getting number, that number we are trying to convert to str. String plus a string, no problem. Second one, pakka, it's going to work. Here the problem here is string minus a string, error, string minus a string, error, like this, right? So the correct answer here is, the correct answer in this case is second one is the correct answer. If I can ask first one or third one, fourth one, immediately error. I want to show error. What how old at your start date 25? How old today? Some 48. Then automatically, immediately error we are going to get. Sir, where you are getting error is must be str, not int. Must be str but not int. Type error we are getting. So first one is the wrong. Okay. Let me comment. Let me open second question. Let me open second one. Here observe that perfectly it is valid, sir. 25. Next and after that 48. Okay. Congratulations on 23 years of service. 23 years of service. Okay. It's telling congratulations message properly, right? But if you consider third one, okay, congratulations on, this is invalid, because between two string types, because input function, the argument types are string. Between two string types, how you can apply minus operator? Yes, immediately error, syntax error, something like at line number 9. At line number 9 means, here 1 minute. Yeah. Here, no, file test.py say unexpected EOF while parsing, unexpected EOF while parsing, like this, right? Yeah, here one more thing I have to take. Now observe this one. Yes, how old? 25, 48. Now observe, immediately error we are going to get unsupported minus between two string types. Between two string types, unsupported minus symbol you are going to get. Okay. Next, sir, if I'm taking fourth one, same problem. Same problem. Here also, like this we are going to get. That's all. These are type of questions. 40 will be there within 45 minutes. You require to write the exam. A bit challenging only with respect to the time. Yes, friends. Are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. So in the regular sessions, very briefly I will discuss the theory, followed by some practice questions on every topic, oddly some 20 days to 30 days, 20 days to 30 days. The cinema of certification is going to be completed. Happily, you can go for certification. Okay.